Hi guys, Jason here with Aegis Detailing Philippines. We are here today at Karrera Lounge in Alabang for their first Classic Mercedes-Benz Meet, where we are showcasing our own restoration project. This is a 1993 Mercedes-Benz 190e W201 Sportline edition. There's roughly about less than 1,000 made in the world. It took us about 2.5 months to restore. We did a complete process of mechanical restoration, full interior restoration, full exterior restoration, under chassis restoration. When we say restoration, basically trying to find all the bits and pieces that is period correct or as genuine parts as possible, that what is available, and to bring the car back to its better than brand new glory. And you can see it right here that we have been successful in doing so, and I'm very proud of this because when a friend of mine offered or told me about this car, it struck a sensitive and sentimental nerve because this is in memory of my late father who passed back in the 90s. And since then, because both of us, the whole family, has this love for Mercedes-Benz. Since then, I've been tracking down, trying to search for a similar car because he had a 190e, this similar model back in the day, and I've been looking for one, and I finally found one. It took us about 2.5 months, and actually that's a pretty good time frame to restore a classic car. But thanks to our industry partners, friends who helped us find the actual parts, the genuine parts. Some are new, some are used, but rest assured everything was fully restored and back to brand new condition. So enjoy. Aegis Detailing Philippines will now be venturing towards this direction, more for not just restoration detailing, but more for full-blown restoration. So stay tuned. There's going to be more in the pipeline, and you will see more of us doing major restoration work for classic cars, vintage cars, and whatnot. So thanks for joining us, and keep safe.
Kamustang ganyan din kasi pag tayong dalawa. Like, share, and subscribe!